Hey visibility hackers, in this video we're talking everything that has to do with your ClickFunnels affiliate link. ClickFunnels affiliates are making tons of money and they're driving around in all of their dream cars, and you could be one of them too. It's really simple to find different places where your ClickFunnels affiliate link lives. And in this video, we're going to show you not only how to access them, but what you should be doing with those links, where they should be posted, and how you can not only increase your dividends and your commissions, but also how to become more visible. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your funnel into a passive income cash machine. And I'm also going to show you how to turn your program or your course into a cash machine. And why not? Let's just cover email too. Let's turn your emails into a cash machine. For all this and more, stay tuned. First things first, there are two different places to find your ClickFunnels affiliate links. There are different types of links and different links for different products. First things first, you're going to click on the top right-hand corner of your ClickFunnels dashboard and then go down to where it says affiliates. This will take you to the affiliate dashboard sign-in page. You're going to click the big link on the top right-hand corner there and sign in through your regular ClickFunnels link. Your regular ClickFunnels username and password will bring you into the affiliate area. From there, you can see all of the different products that ClickFunnels offers. Click the drop-down menu, click the link there, and you will then get the links to all of the different products, from .com secrets to expert secrets to even funnel hacking live. So definitely get a variety of the links for your different opt-ins, because you can send people to all different sorts of products and they'll be happy to be there. The other place to look for your ClickFunnels affiliate link is in the ClickFunnels editor. Go into the editor on any of your funnel pages and preview your page. Even if you create a default page, it's going to have your ClickFunnels affiliate badge at the bottom corner. From there, you can click that link, copy that link, and that will take visitors directly to the ClickFunnels registration page connected to your affiliate. But another way to do this is in the editor itself. To turn on and off that affiliate badge, you have to go into the editor. You're going to click on Settings and General, and then on that menu, you're going to have the option to either hide or show your affiliate badge. If you want to turn your funnel into a cash machine, I highly recommend turning that badge on. You can have that little icon in the bottom of all of your funnel pages, and you can also embed those links into different parts of your funnel process. So say you are a funnel designer and you're going to create a beautiful funnel for a brand new customer. Well, why not also get some back-end commissions by getting that customer to sign up for ClickFunnels? That recurring revenue is going to be commissioned into your account. And you can also build that link into a variety of different steps through your funnel so that you're best addressing your customer where they need to hear that information best. Putting your link on all of your funnel pages is a fabulous way to consistently drive passive income and turn your funnels into a cash machine. I want to hear from you guys. Where are you putting your affiliate links? Maybe it's not just ClickFunnels. Maybe you have affiliate links for other products. Let us know in the comments below where you're posting them. How's that working for you? Now, if you've worked hard and diligently creating a coaching program or a course, you definitely want to look for opportunities that you can embed your affiliate links into that program or course as well. A great example that ties directly back to ClickFunnels affiliate links is Catherine Jones and the CF Design School. CF Design School is designed to teach people how to use ClickFunnels, how to make beautiful pages in the ClickFunnels editor. And because of that, she's been able to integrate a bunch of different affiliate links into that program, which is fantastic. Those links don't feel out of place. They don't feel awkward for students because they're actually serving the solution that the student needs to complete that task in the program. Pretty fantastic. And you don't have to limit yourself to just your ClickFunnels affiliate link. If you have other affiliate links for other products that are going to help meet those needs of your customers, that are going to help them progress through your program, then in my opinion, it's your obligation to put those forward so your students can get those results. You should embed yourself in this channel by hitting the subscribe button and joining us every week for our new videos. We cover influence, authority, and ultimately income building in the online space. And I'd love to see you guys along for the ride. All right, if you're like me, you maybe hate writing email sequences. They're just a little bit tedious. They're just a little bit much, and it feels sometimes like you're obligated to send emails every single day, that sometimes the open rates aren't very... Email is stressful for me, or at least it used to be, until I realized that I could embed my affiliate links into those emails. This made writing emails a lot easier because I was now serving up products and services that were actually solutions to problems that I was facing, problems that my customers were facing. So ultimately, I was serving up solutions now. And on top of that, I was making some commissions as well. And that was the changing point for my business when I realized the power of that passive income stream. So look around for different affiliate products. In the ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard, there are tons of different products that are designed to meet different markets and different specifications. So if you have someone who is die-hard at understanding what funnels are, well, serve them up a link for .com secrets. If there's someone who is a speaker and they're looking at turning their selling from one-to-one into one-to-many, well, then offer them up expert secrets. Or hey, if they're all into the entire thing and they want to go hard, then definitely get them the link for the trilogy. If they're looking for a great, powerful platform to build their funnels on, then definitely serve them up your ClickFunnels link. There are so many different options depending on where your customers are, and what stage in their business they are, what are their needs. And these tricks apply to all affiliate products, not just ClickFunnels. So go out there, gather a list of all of your affiliate links, save them into a document. Think about and brainstorm different ways that you can present that information to different segments of your market. Look at all of the places and all of the platforms that you are serving value to your audience. And then look for ways that you can introduce them to those solutions with those links. All right, my friends, that's it for today. Oh, that's not it for today, because I want you guys to join me. I have a super secret video vault full of all of the trainings that we do in the visibility hacking movement. All of the strategies we cover are in there just for you. So definitely click the link down below. Join us for the visibility hacking secrets training. I know you will absolutely love it. So I want to see what you guys do with all of that. And in the meantime, check out these videos because I think you'll like them. The algorithm thinks you'll like them. And well, just between us, you're gonna love them.